Alright, now we're at lesson 4, and it is a repeat of the grasping sparrow's tail, and you already know about it, but we're going to show you again, okay? Here we go. Coming from the ward off. I look right hand sweeps, step with my right foot, ward off to the right with both hands, roll back, press, retreat, and push. Then I'm going to sit back a little farther than usual. Left hand goes under my right elbow. I turn my right leg in. I go around counterclockwise, full circle. Push and grasp with my right hand. Raise my left hand up. Look left. Step. Square my hips and advance forward and push. Then my right foot turns in a little bit at the end. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you again, and just to remind you, this is just a repeat again of a sequence that's played in section 1 and 2. So here we go.